In this video, I will show you how to use Monday Docs for team collaboration in monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. In monday.com, you want to go to one of your workspaces. So I will go to marketing campaigns. In your workspace, you will have your items. If you assigned people, you will see your assigned people, your status, your date, and any other columns you added. To add Monday Doc, go to the plus sign towards the right and add a new column. Search for Monday Doc. You can then add a column of Monday documents. Then if you click that create new document, an edit page will appear. So now for that specific item, I have a number of different options to choose from. I can start with AI, or I can use templates, and I can make meeting notes, project plan, to-do list, feature specs, and marketing brief. If I go back, I can add tables, charts, board values, and boards. So you can use Monday Docs to collaborate with people in your team. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.